Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply this very authentic retro filter to your videos to make it look like it was filmed in like the 90s, 80s, whatever. I don't know, but you're just going to basically go to effects. I have some of them saved. I have one which is the Betamax one, and I don't think it's in the retro one, but it's in the TV effect. So I'd like to just select it and move it inside of the video, and as you can see, it creates this sort of like very retro effect. And if you want to add in more of that effect, I like to add in the where is it, the low quality one, which is this one. And you can add it as well, like without the Betamax filter, but or just like maybe the low quality only. But yeah, that's basically it. Just add it on top of your videos, and you have this very those authentic retro vibe that makes it look like it was filmed back then instead of right now. I know like a lot of like retro effects can look like you just like add it in, and so it doesn't make it actually look like it's been filmed back then, but this one does. So again, the low quality filter, which is under retro, and the Betamax effect under TV. That's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!